Hi everyone, hopefully you're enjoying your online week. We do have another face-to-face meeting, in fact a couple more as you know, coming up. First one next Thursday and then Thursday after that as well, back-to-back meetings where we're going to be doing our presentations. So I'll send out a list on Monday of those who are presenting in the next class that's coming up. Otherwise, keep working on those. Make sure you have your presentation tool like your PowerPoint or Prezi ready, and maybe practice in front of your significant other before you get to class, so you'll be ready to do a good job on that. As you know, in this module we are looking at elevator pitches, so hopefully you've been able to figure out the technology for that. You can use Screencast-O-Matic to record your video, and then you do need to upload that either to YouTube or you can use Screencast-O-Matic to host that, so that what you put in the discussion board is a link that others can take a look at that way. Don't forget to keep working on your final draft of your IDP and your reflection paper. Those aren't due until Module 15, but it's a good idea to keep work on those, and if you have questions, please let me know. As well, I just wanted to let you know that the e-portfolios have now been, I've looked at all of them and they've been graded, so for the most part you guys did a really good job on that, but if you do have questions about how I graded it or what you need to do to kind of get that ready for future, let me know. Now that those are finished for this class, remember that you will hopefully be adding artifacts for those 6 MDS outcomes as you take your upper division courses. So keep the ePortfolio kind of in the front of your mind, because as you do work in other classes and you produce some good artifacts that might align with one or another of our outcomes, go ahead and add it as you take those classes, so that by the time you get to 400, your ePortfolio is pretty much all filled up with good assignments for each outcome. When we do get to the capstone course, we will revisit your ePortfolio and make sure that each of the 6 outcomes does have an artifact and justification and assignment language with it. So if you're doing that work along the way, it'll make it a lot easier by the time you get to the capstone course. Coming up in Module 14, as I said, most of our time is going to be taken up with presentations, but there is a chapter of our textbook that you'll be asked to read, and I want you to kind of consider the discussion board for Module 14 as kind of like an online week, so you can do that reading before Thursday. Post your thoughts on the chapter that you choose before Thursday at class time, and then be sure to respond to other students, at least 5 other students during the week. So that part we may or may not have time to talk about in class, so probably most of our discussion will be online for that. So if you have any questions about the things coming up, please let me know, and I look forward to seeing all of you next Thursday evening. Thanks.